Many people are confused when they see so many buttons in the air conditioning area of the car. Using the air conditioning button correctly can make you drive fuel efficient and comfortable. First, in the summer driving, open the air conditioner, open the internal circulation. Cooling effect is very good. Second, in the winter driving, close the air conditioner, open the external circulation. The glass is not easy to frost and especially fuel efficient. Third, in the rainy day driving, open the air conditioner, open the external circulation, set the air conditioning mode to blow the glass mode, so that the glass will not fog up. Fourth, when the traffic jam, open the air conditioner, open the internal circulation. The exhaust gas outside the car cannot enter. Have you learned? Follow me to make a friend who knows about cars.